There's a Kansas City Metro here in the middle of your screen, and then we are looking north and east up I-35, so very close to the town of Cameron, heading towards Gallatin. If you live in Gallatin, you need to be getting to your safe place. Winston, Kidder, Jamesport, this storm will be heading towards you. It is moving towards the northeast at about 55 miles an hour. Again, the counties of Caldwell, Davies, and DeKalb on the Missouri side, you are included with this tornado warning. And like we were talking about earlier, this is going to be an area where there is some rotation. It can produce a tornado at any time. You get some of those brief spin-ups as we discussed where a tornado occurs quickly. It can produce damage. You take the same sort of precautions for these storms that are very short-lived as you would for a very large, violent tornado. You do the same thing. Interior room of your home, you get away from the windows, you get away from the walls. Here's that latest timeline, that latest track on what we're seeing. Again, this is a radar indicated tornado warning, and that means that we have all the ingredients for a tornado to occur at any time, and that's why this warning has been issued. So this is northeast of the metro, so very close to the town of Cameron. That'd be just kind of at the bottom of your screen here, near Altamont, Gallatin, Jamesport. If you live in any of these areas, you should be getting to your safe place. Like I said, the middle of your home. If you have a basement, that's ideal. If you don't, middle, away from windows, away from walls. This storm is moving northeast at about 50 to 55 miles an hour, so that puts it near Gallatin at about 9:44. That's about 10 minutes from right now. And then near Jamesport at 9:55, so that's about another 20 minutes from right now. That's when this storm will be impacting you. And this warning is going to go until 10 o'clock this evening. So again, we're talking about Caldwell, Davies, and DeKalb County until 10 o'clock this evening for a radar indicated. So we're seeing the rotation, but no reports of an actual tornado touchdown. So at least some good news there, but you take the same precautions. You get into that interior room, you get into that lowest level of your home to be on the safe side. So those are areas that are impacted or potentially may be impacted by that storm. Along with it, we continue with that strong wind threat. Notice the shape of that line of thunderstorms there from southwest of Bethany down towards near Kearney. Notice how it's kind of a bow shape. So when you ever hear us talk about a bow echo, typically that's an indicator that you may be seeing or you may experience some very strong wind gusts as well. So that's something that we're going to keep a very close watch on, along with that tornado threat with that part of the line there. Certainly something that has our attention. And then again, just southwest of Gallatin, it almost looks like you can see a little notch there north of Kidder, north of Hamilton, and this is on the Missouri side, so this is pretty close to I-35. Now it's moving east of I-35, heading northeast at about 55 miles an hour, so that's something that, again, tornado can occur at any time, can certainly produce some damage, and something that we want to watch for there as it approaches the Gallatin area as it moves northeast. Let's head over to Chief Meteorologist Brian Busby. And Brian, I know you've been watching these storms as well.
Certainly have, and again, very good job trying to keep things going. And it looks like that line is still trying to move through a good portion, and it looks like the northernmost extent is where most of the action is. I've used one of our other tools here in the First Alert Weather Center. This is going to be on our second weather box. This is going to be on Lynx 2, as we call it. And I have just the rotation that's pulled up there. And it shows you that the heaviest, or at least the more pronounced rotation, is now between Kidder and Winston. So that's why you should be in your safe area right about now, because of that rotation that I'm seeing on the other weather box here, and that's right within the tornado warning that stays in effect for about another half hour or so. So I would hope that Gallatin is in a safe area as well, as it's still moving off to the east and northeast pretty rapidly. So there it is, as you see there. The area where you see my mouse kind of circling there, down between Winston, which is here, and Kidder, which is down to the south. But within this warning area, it's still moving to the east and northeast. So first alert going out toward the city of Gallatin, definitely be in your safe area, putting as many walls between you and the outside, as we still have an embedded thunderstorm. And it's radar indicated, as Neville mentioned, and that's a good sign that hopefully we're giving you as much first alert lead time as possible. But there have been no confirmed touchdowns, and we try to combine what is happening in the field with eyeballs on it with our radar information to confirm